god, I'm gonna pull hands. Oh!
I don't wanna squirt it when I don't wanna come, but I just gotta feed this monstrous dick.
I do have the keys. He does not.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Hi, I'm with Daniel, and I'm letting out my dog outside.
Dorito.
We are going to the beach because it's kind of like close to my house. So yeah. Look at him, so cute. Like I never walk with him outside because he's always scared. I think he's trauma or something, but not my problem because we are walking and you need to just poop somewhere, like not in my garden. Hey guys, so we are on the beach right now. Do you see my dog? Oh, period. I'm with Daniel. Shangalina. And look at
the water.
for real. And look at this view, like period. We are in Valencia like a bitch. We are walking up to the water right now. Oh my gosh! He fell!
There you are. I was looking for you.
Yes, I was just chilling like Lana Del Rey.
On the bench.
I'm feeling very Lana Del Rey right now. West Coast.
Come on, baby.
Period. Okay, so I'm gonna look what's like up here because I'm curious.
He's lying. He's gonna take a piss.
No, I'm not. Where?
Well, I'm just sitting here with my dog at the beach. Oh, so cozy. So we are going to walk further that way. We want to look what's there. And we're just gonna like sit. It's so cozy up in this bitch. And there's like no one. I only saw a woman and I thought it was a skinwalker because she walked so weird. Like,
And he thought that she was carrying a fire, but it was just an LED.
yes, I really thought she was.
collar.
I really thought she made a fire with her hands, like skinwalker alert, and she was saying weird things. Like, I was so scared.
Can you tell she was calling for her dog?
Yes, I thought she was gonna eat my dog. Oh my gosh, so I'm right here at the Windhorhol, and it's so cozy up in this bitch. Wow. Oh my god, I'm gonna pull hands. Ouch! Oeh. Wereldwindgorgel. Orgelpunt. Vlissingen. Mass and individual moving.
Missing.
So if you look at this windgorgel, it's all the way up. Like a motherfucking dildo. If you look at this pole, it's broken off. And do you know why?
Get your ass up! Get up now! Get up now! Get up! Get up!
Hey fatties, if you want to lose weight, you need to start watching what you eat. Here's how you do it. So you're gonna first watch.
So we are here at the beach huts. I think they look like garages. You can park only one bicycle in it. You can fart, and it's full. It's not worth the 500 euros per month.
Right?
Okay, guys, I found my butt plug. It fits perfect. And oh, you can enter my butt plug. I'm stuck in the vagina.
What the fuck?
Much better. Now I can navigate where I'm going.
Oh, het is glad. Daar, pas op. Wat ligt daar? Is that a dead body? What the fuck is this? Okay, watch out, please.
Oh my goodness. It's slippery.
It's a 10.
I'm gonna wear
Ew, bitch. Oh, slay. Woo!
Yeah!